Alright everyone, welcome back. My name is Joe, and this is another episode of Crypto Insight. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at what Bitcoin has done over the past 7 days. We're also going to break down 3 big news articles that have happened in the past week. And just as a quick reminder, we are still doing the 2 different Bitcoin giveaways every single week. The winners are always announced at the end of Monday's video and at the end of Thursday's video. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, you like this video, and you comment your Bitcoin wallet address down below. So this way, if you win the giveaway, we know where to send the Bitcoin. With that being said, we're going to take a look at CoinMarketCap, and we're going to see what Bitcoin has done in the past 7 days. The current market cap of cryptocurrencies is at 1.41 trillion. The total 24-hour volume of Bitcoin is hanging at 136.71 billion, with Bitcoin's dominance being at 61.08%. I do believe the dominance is on the rise a little bit from last week, and we're going to click on Bitcoin and see what it has going on. So currently Bitcoin is at $46,415. It is down 17.55% for the week. The lowest we have seen it in the past week is 43,653, as well as the highest we've seen it in the past week is $56,295. With my personal opinion, I do believe that this is a healthy correction, and within the next 7 to 10 days, we will retake that 58,000 all-time high, and we should keep going on to push through that resistance level at 60K that we've been rejected at a few times already. So with that being said, we are going to jump on over and we're going to take a look at what Microstrategy has going on. I know they're always purchasing Bitcoin, and it looks like they bought even more. So according to crypto.com, well, not crypto.com, bitcoin.com, I'm sorry about that, Microstrategy buys 1 billion more Bitcoin. The company now holds over 90,000 BTC. Let's read about it. MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 1.026 billion worth of Bitcoin, raising the total number of Bitcoins it has accumulated to about 90,531. Holy crap, that's a lot of Bitcoin. I wouldn't even know what to do with myself if I had that much Bitcoin. Its CEO explained that its company remains focused on its 2 corporate strategies of growing its enterprise analytics software business and acquiring and holding Bitcoin. Just as an FYI, MicroStrategy's treasury reserves now hold more than $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. So Michael Saylor is not only buying Bitcoin for him personally, but he's also buying Bitcoin for his company. And I know that he has done both of those in the past, and it doesn't look like he's slowing down anytime in the future. I just think it's absolutely crazy. Who's going to be next? I mean, MicroStrategy is buying more. We already saw Elon Musk come out. I mean, who's going to be next? Please let me know down in the comments section if you guys want to let me know who you think is going to be next. I personally believe that in the near future, we are going to see SpaceX come out. I mean, it's only a matter of time before Elon Musk extends this Bitcoin mentality to the rest of his businesses. I mean, it works so well for Tesla. Why wouldn't he? Would have to be a fool to not do it for SpaceX. So now we're going to take a look at another news article. And while we're talking about people buying Bitcoin, Jack Dorsey purchased some more Bitcoin. If you guys remember, a few months back, he purchased $50 million. And if I do remember correctly, his $50 million has already 4 or 5x'd. So he's already really in the green. But let's read about Square buying another $170 million in Bitcoin. Ahead of its fourth quarter earnings call Tuesday, the payment firm announced it had purchased an additional 3,318 Bitcoin for its reserve assets. Payment giant Square said Tuesday it had purchased an additional $170 million of Bitcoin, adding to the stash it purchased in October. Unfortunately, guys, this news article goes on to say that, as we all know, over the past week, Bitcoin has been coming down, and basically they just go on to say that Jack Dorsey should have waited to buy the Bitcoin, that he's already down like $10 million. But if you guys have the same mindset as Jack Dorsey, who probably has the same mindset as me, he ain't selling these Bitcoins. He doesn't care about the day-to-day price fluctuations. I mean, if you're not planning on selling the Bitcoin anytime in the near future, what do you care about what the day-to-day price is? And that's, I bet you he doesn't even look at the price day to day. I wish I could go day to day and not look at the price, but I unfortunately can't. So we will move on to the third and final article, which is the one I am most excited to cover. Shark Tank's Kevin O Leary revises stance on Bitcoin, says crypto is here to stay, and invests 3% of his portfolio. Guys, this is kind of crazy, and this just broke, I believe, a few hours ago. I saw it maybe a day ago. This is insane. He, I believe, is quoted in calling it garbage, and I believe he even called it garbage, is what he actually said. He called it a giant nothing burger. He said that it is going to zero, I believe. But what's really funny is there's actually a news interview with him that you guys can find on YouTube. If I can find it, I will put the link down below. But in, I believe it was 2013 or 14, he actually went on a Canadian investment network show and was talking about Bitcoin and actually knew way more about it than probably most people did in 2013. But what I think is really funny is last year he went on CNBC with Anthony Pompliano, and he basically played stupid. For a 15-minute news section, he played stupid. Like, he had no idea what it was, how it works, and this is what the elite does, guys. They play dumb. They're getting into it. You think behind closed doors for the last year he wasn't getting into this? Let's read about it. Shark Tank star Kevin O Leary, a.k.a. Mr. Wonderful, has begun investing in Bitcoin, having previously called the cryptocurrency garbage, and he has now changed his mind and believes that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. He's also getting used to the volatility of Bitcoin and believes that institutional investors are willing to hold through price fluctuations. You're darn right they're willing to hold through price fluctuations, as they always have over the last few years. I would say since 2017, institutions have been buying, and they don't care about the price fluctuations. It seems like people only care about the price fluctuations right as soon as they start buying. Once you buy your second time or you buy your third time, you don't care about the price fluctuations. So he said, he's quoted in saying, "I am fascinated. I'm investing. I'm holding a 3% waiting in between Ethereum and Bitcoin. The volatility sickens me, but I am getting used to it." Yeah, I mean, you're going to have to get used to it. But if I am correct, which I do believe I am, in the near future when Bitcoin does hit 500,000 or it hits 250,000, the volatility is going to come down. These big 30 and 40% movements that we've seen over the last couple of years aren't going to happen anymore. It's not going to happen. So that's about all the news that we have, guys. I am going to jump over now to the weekly giveaway, and I'm going to pick a random person. So make sure you guys stick around and see that. I will see you guys in the next one. Alright everyone, here we go. Please make sure you put your Bitcoin wallet address down below and come back on Thursday to see if you won this giveaway. And we're about to see who won Thursday's giveaway. Good luck to everyone who entered. CryptoTabber, you are the winner. Congratulations. I will be sending your Bitcoin to the address provided, and you should receive it within a few hours. Congratulations. Make sure you guys all come back on Thursday to see who won that giveaway.